Everyone, my name is Khushi. I am a DPharm student. Now I am doing BSc. I joined these classes for self improvement. So I am doing the part of the activity. So let's start with the first slide. Let's talk about use of it and there. They are anyone who knows how to use it and there? So let's begin. So let's move on. Can we say is raining? We will we will say it is raining. And are 50 students in class? Can we say that? There are 50 students in class. And we say 5 o'clock? We will say it is 5 o'clock. What is subject? Subject who or what does the action. So these are some example. Ravi is playing, she is cooking, and they have finished the work. So let's move on with the next slide. You know what is the subject, but sometimes there is no real subject. The real subject comes later. So English we use it and there. They call dummy subject and temporary subject. So let's we will move to the next slide. When it comes when we use it in situation, condition, and environment. So there are some examples. There are 4 stages. Are 4. There are 4. It we will. So it is when we will use it. There are these are some examples. Could you please give me some examples?
It is a volcanic eruption.
Huh?
It is a volcanic eruption.
Okay, it's absolutely correct. Anyone else? No one? Okay, it's okay, no problem. Feeling and opinion structure. It this is the structure of using it. It is adjective 2 plus verb. So, what is the adjective in this sentence? And next and third? Okay, let's move on to the next slide. When it comes to the negative form, we will use not. So, could you please give me example of using not? Okay, anyone else?
It is not easy to learn Marathi.
Okay. Or anyone else? Okay.
It's not difficult to write down.
Okay. Let's move on to the next slide. When it comes to the interrogative form, we will start with is it. So, could you please give me some example about that? 2 framing questions.
It is very difficult to learn English.
Okay, it's okay, nice. Next one.
Is it very nice?
Okay.
Is it that much problematic?
Okay, nice, excellent. So, was where. These are some types of sentences which is using was where. So, it was easy to finish the homework and it was difficult to solve the problem. Anyone has example?
It was very difficult to explain them.
Okay, nice. Let's move on to the next slide. There means existence असणे होना. So there is a book on the table and there are many students. Could you please give me some examples about that? Okay, nice. There use we will use there for existence, location, and something exist. So next, move on to the next. It is used for weather, time, or feeling, and there use for something is present or available. In this sentence, which is correct?
Yeah.
There are 50 students.
And next one. Okay. These are common mistake we usually do. So as you can see, there have many students and there are many students. Which one is correct?
There are many students.
And next one or third one? Okay. This is why do we use them? Because English sentences subject plus verb, but when it's not when it is not real subject, it we will use it and there. Thank you for cooperating with me.